Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create high converting short videos in under 10 minutes by using just free AI. And you can use these videos for Pinterest affiliate marketing or any other social media affiliate marketing, or even to promote your own blog, your own website, your mailing list, your products, or whatever you want. First thing we need to do, we need to choose a niche. Now, cooking is always evergreen niche. So you can use any other niche that you want, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to use cooking. So now I need a video ideas. Now for that, I will use ChatGPT. And then here, I will actually give it a rather long and detailed prompt that will contain not just video ideas, but also script for image and videos as well. So here I will simply paste that prompt. As you can see, this is a detailed and very long prompt. Now here you can see I added 9:16 aspect ratio. That is important because we are making a vertical videos. So all I have to do now is just press enter, and now ChatGPT will give me 10 video ideas in cooking niche. As you can see here, it is adding these ideas. Here you can see mini aurora crystal ramen, volcano lava cheese dumplings, galaxy berry pancake stack, and so on, as you can see here. So all I have to do is I just need to choose one of these video ideas. So let's say, for example, I will choose this idea here, golden honey croissant. So all I have to do is because here you can see this is a number 6. All I have to do is just type here number 6 and press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me a full image and video script for this idea here, number 6, golden honey croissant. Okay, here you can see it is already writing, as you can see here. Okay, now here you can see this is an image prompt. So I first need to create an image. Now I will first copy this, okay? Control C, and then I will go on Google Flow. Now Google Flow just changed their rules and they are now adding 50 free credits every day by the end of August. So you need to use that option, okay? So you need to click here on New Project, okay? And now you need to click here. Here you can see Nano Banana 2. You need to click here, and then here you need to choose an image. Now this is an image, and here you need to choose 9:16 aspect ratio. Here you can choose Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana 2 Lite, and you need to choose Nano Banana 2. And then here you need to give it a prompt. Now this is the prompt that we just copied from ChatGPT, and all you have to do is just press enter. And now Google Flow will create realistic images for this video idea here, this number 6, golden honey croissant. Okay, just give it a few seconds to finish making this video, these images. Here you can see it already made 50% of this image. Just give it a few seconds. As you can see, Google Flow finished making these images. So now what you need to do, you need to click here again on Nano Banana 2. So now you need to click here on video. Then you need to choose frames. And you need to choose 9:16 aspect ratio and the speed times 1. Here you need to choose Omni Flash, okay? And you need to choose the duration of the video, 8 seconds, okay? And here you can see it will cost 12 credits to make this video. So now you need to click here on this image, on these 3 dots, and you need to click here on animate. And then here you need to add a prompt that we just copied from ChatGPT, this prompt here, okay? And I will paste it here. And then simply press enter. And now Google Flow will make the first scene of this video here from this image here. Just give it a few seconds to finish making this video. Okay, Google Flow finished the video. Let me just click on it. And here you can see how this video looks, and it is exactly 8 seconds long. It even added sound. So let me just play this video again. So now what we need to do, we need to hover over our video, and then here in upper right corner, we need to click here, save this frame. It is important to let the video render by the end, so we need to save the last frame. So simply click here, save last frame. Just give it a few seconds. So now what we need to do, we need to go back here on ChatGPT and we need to copy prompt for the second video, for the second scene. Copy this, go back here on Google Flow and then go back here. And then we need to click here on this last frame that we saved. This is the last saved frame, so I need to click here and then I need to click here again on animate. Okay, and then here I need to give it the prompt that I just copied from ChatGPT for the second scene. As you can see here, scene number 2. Go back here and then again press enter. And now Google Flow will continue this video here exactly where it stopped. Okay, so it will just continue this video and we will make a 16-second short video. Okay, and you can make longer videos in the same way. Just give it a few seconds to finish making the second video. Now, in the meantime, while Google Flow is making these videos, we can go, for example, on Digistore 24 to find products that we can promote, in this case, in cooking niche. So I'm here on Digistore 24 Marketplace and I will scroll here and I will choose English language because I only wish products on English language. Then here on digital products, I will click here and here I will find food and drink. And here you can find there is lots of food and drink products that you can promote and make a good money. So let me just go back here on Google Flow to see did they finish. Okay, so this is the second scene. So when I click on it, here I can see this is the second scene and this is how this looks. So what I need to do, I simply need to download this video. So let me just play this video again. So what you can do, you can simply click here and download this video to your desktop. You can also go back here and you can click on this video here and you can also click here and download this video here also on your desktop, and you can use any video editor that you want to edit these videos, to combine these two videos. You can also click here on this plus and you can click here on add a video, and I can click here on videos and I can click here, for example, on this video here, and I can click on add a scene. Okay, and just give it a few seconds to finish this. Okay, Google Flow finished, and here you can see now this video is a 16 seconds long video. So let me just play you this video so you can see how this looks. As you can see, this is actually here. As you can see, this is a really good video, and here even has a smooth transition. So all I have to do now is I just need to click here and I need to download this video here to my desktop. Just give it a few seconds to download it. Okay, it downloaded this video, so what I need to do is simply need to go here on Pinterest and I need to click here on this plus and I need to click here on pin. And then I need to click here to upload media, and let me just find that media. It is on the desktop, so let me just find that video. This is the video. As you can see, this is the video, and all you have to do now, you just need to add a optimized title, optimize the description. For the link, I wouldn't add anything, but you can add if you want. I would add a link eventually to the page on my blog or website. Here you need to choose a board, right board. Tags you need to choose. You need to choose, for example, baking. So, okay, here you can see baking, and let's just say baking recipes, and so on and so on. Add relevant tags. And you can also, let me just go back here, and you can also go on Amazon, for example. Okay, let's just go on Amazon. And here you can also search something related to baking. Okay, baking croissant. And here you can see there is a lots of tools that you can use for baking croissants. So for example, I can use this tool here. I wish to promote it. Click here to get my affiliate link, confirm affiliate link. Okay, and I can go back here on Pinterest and I can click here on add tag, use the link, and I can paste that link here, press enter, give it a few seconds to pull the images directly from Amazon. And let's say, for example, I will use this image here, give it a second, and here you can see it automatically added this product. So when someone click on this product, it will be redirected to this Amazon page, and it will be actually my Amazon affiliate link. And if they buy this product, I will earn an affiliate commission. So all you have to do after that, just click here on publish, and that's it. You will publish this video. Again, let me just play this video so you can see how this looks. And you can make videos by using Google Flow every day. Like I said, Google Flow is giving 50 credits, new credits every day for free by the end of August. Use this opportunity to make videos, 2 or 3 videos every day, totally free. And you can upload these videos every day on Pinterest and you can start getting traffic. These videos are getting viral really easy. Also, upload these videos not just on Pinterest, upload them on TikTok, on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts, on Instagram as a Instagram Reels, and also on Facebook as a Facebook Reels. And trust me guys, if you do this every day, you will start getting traffic, you will probably start making sales, and you'll probably start making money with affiliate marketing, totally free, even if you are absolute beginner. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.